Okay, guys, we're going to start with this guy. He's a disciplined COVID warrior, an example to all Indians. Hello, Matosh.
Hi.
You have your gloves?
Yes.
Great. Your mask?
Yes.
You got your sanitizer?
Yes.
And you've taken your Patanjali Ayurvedic tablet?
Yes. Yes.
Great. Have you taken your hydroxychloroquine?
Yes.
Okay, great. Good stuff. Off you go. Have a good one.
Bye bye.
He took all the precautions, ladies and gentlemen. He did everything right. He was a noble COVID warrior. He went by the book. The perfect example of how to survive COVID-19. But he shouldn't have. He shouldn't have been texting while crossing the road. It's called the week that wasn't. This cheeky idiot, folks, and I say this affectionately, Matosh, well, he told me that if you're dark-skinned and you die of COVID, does it constitute racism? Draw the line, folks. Draw the line. You know, there's a limit. Draw the line. Seema Rekha. Don't cross it. Another African-American man was shot dead by police last week. Apparently, he failed a sobriety test and resisted arrest. In unrelated news, two hardcore terrorists were saved from the death penalty and given life imprisonment instead. So the message is clear. You can bomb hundreds of random innocent people and still not get the ultimate penalty. But if you fail a sobriety test and you're black, most IT and tech companies are in no hurry whatsoever to get back to office. This is, of course, for the tech company whose Wi-Fi at home is working. Hey, boss, I don't kid you about this. I know a couple of people who lost their jobs because they couldn't start the damn comp. Okay, seriously, folks, seriously. Goldman Sachs, I worked there 6 months. Goldman Sachs, which has a 5,500 strong staff, will keep only 30% of their staff in office in Bangalore. So 30% will be in Goldman, the rest will get the Sachs. Sachs. Government, I said S-A-C-H-S, Sachs. It's a Jewish name. It's not what people do at home or alone or with lots of other people or without telling people. That's different. That's what caused this population boom. For another day, of course. Let's look at astrology to break the virus monopoly, my friends. If your sign is Gemini, a lot is expected on the work front this month. If your sign is Cancer, health is paramount in the month of June. If your sign is we are closed because of COVID-19, well, that's a different sign. What can I tell you? That's what it is, most of the time. Don't worry, our show is not closed. Not yet. It had to happen. It finally happened. I spoke about it. I predicted it. You can check the episodes. I've spoken about this many times. Nishikeet Doshi is the first casualty. Remember this name. Yesterday at 6 p.m. sharp, Nishikeet completed watching every damn thing on Netflix. Everything. Nothing is left. He's devastated. June 24th, he starts Mission Amazon Prime. So is vitamin C a safeguard actually against corona? Now, some say yes, some say no. I say yes. Trust in vitamin C. C for careful. Patanjali CEO Balkrishna says company has found an Ayurvedic cure for COVID. We are told off the record the cure is stay at home. And now as we enter partial lockdown 2.50, chapter 3, paragraph 7b, let's turn to our Messiah, the voice of victory against all odds. He was with us in the beginning. He'll be there through the middle and the end. This may be the beginning of the middle. We don't know where we are. But here he is, our leader.
जब मैंने दे दिया था गो कोरोना का नारा, तब जाग गया था भारत सारा, भारत सारा, भारत सारा। अभी पूरी दुनिया में चमक रहा है कोरोना जैसा तारा, लेकिन एक दिन बजा देंगे हम कोरोना के 12।
I just feel better listening to that. It just lifts me completely. For a minute, I forget about everything, and all I want to do is is there any other song I can hear after this? You know what I mean? Okay, lots more coming up, but first, the headlines. India-China border dispute escalates. So, should India ban Chinese products? And COVID still remains a hot topic. Folks, before we start with our top story, I want to talk a little bit about Winston Churchill and World War II, where he inspired Great Britain and the Allies in general to fight back, from the depths of despair. Similarly, I'm going to do that for the nation. I'm going to bring India together and give you hope and make you rise as one nation in a happy sort of position with this poem that I wrote. Bear with me. Here it goes. Gali gali mein shor hai. Actually, that's not right because I live in a gully and the shore is down at Nepean Sea Road the darya is there, and then you have the shore, the seashore also. So I'm not technically in my gully. Technically, we are just cement and buildings and a lot of vegetarian people, and we love each other. But it's not important. Let's talk about the first story, the top story. For the first time in decades, this week, the long simmering border dispute between India and China turned violent. Now, this is a significant escalation of animosity between the two. And joining us to discuss the China conflict now is retired General Nikhil Prasad Chinappa. I want to just say I haven't seen his accreditation. I'm not fully sure. But it says that and he says that, so we'll just go with it. General Nikhil Prasad Chinappa.
Don't call me by that name anymore. Never again. Don't ever call me General Chinappa ever. I am changing my name.
Why? To what?
To anything. To General Uttappa, General Punappa, General Nanjappa, General Ayappa. I'll even change my name to General Bakshi, but not Chinappa.
This whole conversation is giving me a headache. But why? Why?
Because there is China in my name. China Appa.
I see where you're going with this. China. I get it. I can see you're seething with anger towards China, sir.
Yes, devious, treacherous, backstabbing China. It was a double-crossing covert operation. It's like Chinese food.
Hold it. No. That doesn't make sense. What the hell does that mean? What do you mean it's like Chinese food?
Chinese food is a covert operation. If you take out the gobi in a gobi Manchurian and replace it with chicken, you will never be able to know the difference. It is betrayal. If you take out the paneer from a paneer chili and replace it with basa fish, you will never be able to know the difference. Devious. Trickery of the Chinese. Devious.
I beg to differ. If you put fish in any Chinese food of mine, I'll be able to smell it. I have that ability. I can smell it from the next restaurant. But I'll go on with what you're saying. You're obviously really upset with the Chinese, and rightly so.
Yes, and on top of that, they are the cause of India's most deadliest disease.
Of course, you mean COVID.
No, diabetes.
What do the Chinese have to do with diabetes?
What causes diabetes? Sugar. What is sugar called in Hindi?
Chini.
Chini. Yes, chini. Murderers.
And I immediately think of the film Chini Come and hope there's little come of this going on from you at the moments of this rant. Okay, calm down, sir, calm down. Let's get back to the war. What do you think exactly happened?
It is a clear case of double crossing.
No, explain.
They crossed the Galwan River and we crossed the Galwan River. Both crossed. Double crossing.
That's the explanation. But it was violent.
That is because our soldiers fight like men.
Well,
Indians fight like men. Chinese fight like chow men.
okay, since it's been a bad week, I'll let all this go. But otherwise, it would be looked as clearly not only racist, but foodist. And I have a soft corner for. But anyway, let's get specific. Is it an unequal battle, India and China?
Obviously, China dwarfs India in overall defense capabilities and spending. They spend billions and billions on weapons and arms.
I see.
And we spend billions and billions on throwing a party for the Chinese president in Gujarat.
Oops, that came out of nowhere. That's what we call a left field missile. No, seriously, sir.
The rules of war have evolved over centuries. These rules distinguish nations whose armed forces respect some minimal standard of human decency. China has none of those.
All right, big words. Explain to us, what has China done?
You have to curb the brutality of war by setting limits on the weapons and tactics that can be employed.
So you're saying China has nearly 10 times the defense budget of India, perhaps more weapons, much more planes, many more soldiers, and so this war is unfair?
No, I am saying what is unfair is that China, with 10 times the defense budget of India, more weapons, more planes, more soldiers, came to fight India with sticks and stones? Betrayers! Backstabbers! If only we had known they were going to fight with sticks and stones, we could have withdrawn our beloved soldiers and used other brave Indians.
Other brave people like who?
Like, just top of the mind, if you're putting me on the spot, brave Indians like CAA protesters from Shaheen Bagh, MNS workers from Maharashtra, lynch mobs from Uttar Pradesh and Haryana, Gau Sevaks, love jihadis and all our other brave warriors who should sometime go into the front and fight a war.
If I didn't know any better, I would think that somebody wrote this skit for you. I mean, it's just plainly a piece of comedy. And let me tell you that name Chinnappa, my good colleague and friend from MTV days, Nikhil Chinnappa, is from a Fauji family and a proud, proud soldier, let me tell you. And this gentleman is no Chinnappa, I can tell you that. No Chinnappa. All right, as no Chinnappa means... As the India-China standoff intensifies, social media is going crazy. Influencers, celebrities and everyone in general are calling for a complete ban of all things made in China. Joining us now is India's most watched TikTok star. Ladies and gentlemen, she will not appear on any other show. It's a personal relationship with this man and love for this man and this show and what we stand for and the kind of poetry we gave you at the beginning that she has come on this show. Manath Darbar. Is that really her name? Manath, I know you have 150 million followers, but please introduce yourself to our viewers. Some are over 65 and they don't basically have TikTok or access to it. Didn't understand a word of that, of course. But let's talk about the call for banning Chinese goods in India. What's your take on that, Manath?
Firstly, ban the goods. What do you mean ban the goods first? Ban the bad first now. Because it's Corona time.
Hey, it's Corona time right
It's
now.
Corona time, y'all. It's Corona time.
Wow. Early Beethoven, I presume. That's all well, but in reality, how do you think a ban on Chinese products will affect us?
That is so obvious. I'm gonna let my...
Off the record, Manath, I have tried that with a girl when I was 17 years old. Just used my eyebrows to communicate and she punched me. She just hit me straight. So be careful. Be careful what you do with your eyebrows. No, listen, I don't want to dance. I want you to think about what I've asked you and give me a proper answer. We are losing our men at the border as we speak.
Cyrus, I have to say this. War is old men talking and young men dying. Oh, hey, put that leaf effect on it. Put it.
Okay, there's no need to get personal. I think about the bigger picture here, you and me, Shilpa, 80% of all electronic products, 81% I've just been corrected, are imported from China. Do you think we should ban all of that? I mean, where's the common sense here?
If you ask me, I think we can go ahead with the ban on everything because
Wow, that's the first point you made, trade deficit. First point you made, which is like politically or economically sound. Before that, if you don't mind, it was garbage. And coming from me and our show. Go on, please go on.
we have to ban everything from China. But if everything is from China, then what do we ban?
This is like Premchand. We have to ban everything from China, but everything is from China. So you ban everything, it's zero. Shunyata, nothingness. Oh, beautiful, fabulous. You've become a wise philosopher. What about mobile phones?
Cyrus, do you want me to take that call?
What is your style number? करो क्या dial number? होगा फिर आना जाना, दे दे कोई easy number. कहाँ से तू आता है darling, कहाँ को तू जाता है? आके जाके ऐसे क्यों दिल को तरपाता है? हाय.
So, Manath, what about clothes, quickly? Clothes sold on the street, most of them, many of them made in China.
Cyrus, I'm a big fan of street style. I got that street cred, yo. You know what I'm saying, homie? All I wanna say is hello and goodbye. Always remember Hindi chini, bye bye.
Hindi chini, bhai, bhai. What are you saying? I'm not sure I understood. All right, toys. What about toys?
What about toys? Cosmo says toys are great for spicing things up in the bedroom. Today I'm gonna show you.
No, please. We don't need that tutorial. It's not allowed by law, not at this time. Offline, we can discuss this for my friends. What about parts of computers, cars, motorcycles, milk products, fertilizers, antibiotics? We can't ban all of them, can we? I mean, it's impossible.
Is this a Congress song? Guys, I can't afford to lose out on my brand endorsements. Cut that out.
I thought your endorsements come from the other country. Forget center. I mean, not to get confused, but make in India. So be Atma Nirbhar. That's what you're saying. Let's ban it all. Chinese food. What about Chinese food?
Chinese food, China में थोड़ी बनता है. वो तो राजू पंजाबी के स्टॉल में बनता है जुहू में. Hello.
Right. So what you're saying is Punjabi Chinese is more Punjabi than Chinese. Fair enough. Should we ban TikTok?
पहले उस आदमी का सिग्नेचर लेके आओ जिसने कभी मेड इन चाइना की छड्डी नहीं पहनी.
Impressions go, and I have seen them all because I am a child of the 80s and 90s. I've met the great man himself many times. I have to tell you the worst, bar none. This was the worst. और रिश्ते में हम तुम्हारे ब्रेक लेते हैं. And then I'll come back as Shehenshaw. Stay where you are. Lots more to come. 1 minute, we are busy fighting with China. I can't discuss Nepal. Just calm down. Sorry, there are all kinds of things happening in the background. I am supposed to run this country on my own from this small desk somewhere in Lal Bagh. Not Lal Bagh, opposite Lal Bagh. But I won't give the proper address. People might come here from other countries. Welcome back to Anything But Corona News. Yep, we don't discuss Corona for the next 3 minutes. Maybe we do. I've solved it, folks. I've solved it. You want to be safe? We've got it all here. Arsenic alp, homeopathy, but there is no scientific data to back it. Vitamin C, again, no scientific data to back it, but again, you can try it. Harsh sunlight, to be totally honest, no scientific data again. Monsoon rains, will they destroy the virus? Once again, science tells us nothing, no data. But what if you take arsenic alp plus vitamin C? You stand in the hot sunshine till the rains come and pelt you. One may not work, ladies and gentlemen, but together, it's called the Avenger. BA, LLB 1 year, but plenty smart. Plenty smart. Here are signs that your body is not getting enough sunshine or vitamin D. You're white. Racism? Reverse racism? No? Okay, look, we're not sure, so don't, we're not sure ourselves. It was not an intent to be racist in any form, so please, no petitions. New Zealand is COVID-19 free. Just one problem, we don't live in New Zealand. In India, it's going to take a while before I can say on this show finally to you, India is COVID-19 free. Meanwhile, I request the government to adapt that sentence in our citizens' favor. While India has COVID-19, let everything be free. Chalo, we'll allow GST. Yaar. We also are charitable. Huh? Kaun kehta hai we are not charitable? We are very charitable. Very charitable. All right, it's time to go straight to Canada, where we have our international correspondent with special sponsored segment, folks, by a brand that's not reached us yet, but will from Canada. Anyway, Ambika Vas, stand-up comedian, IT expert, banker at times, and apparently people have been asking a big question, is she really in Vancouver? Is she really in Canada? So we asked her to go outside and check the popularity of the show the week that wasn't, because I'm told that we are going through the roof with the popularity right now, perhaps thanks to this whole COVID thing. Everybody's indoors and watching TV. So whether it's Vancouver, Toronto, Canada, India, wherever you are, week that wasn't is rising high. Our stock is rising high. Ambika is going to tell us how big we are on the international scene. She herself is a huge star now. Ambika.
Hi, Cyrus. Today I'm on the streets of Vancouver to find out what people think of the show. Hi! Have you heard of Cyrus Brocha?
Never heard of him.
He's a famous Indian comedian.
Oh, Russell Peters.
No, let me show you a clip.
It's supposed to be a comedy?
Yeah!
It's not very funny.
It's very popular in India.
So you're like a Bollywood celebrity, eh?
I don't know about that.
I'd like to take you out for dinner. Maybe a Celine Dion concert after?
I'm really flattered, but I'm in the middle of work right now.
Oh, sorry.
See, they have allowed alcohol to be served in Canada from the beginning. So a few of them are little, this happens, don't take it seriously. But there's somebody else, you have somebody else. Go on, please.
Hi! I'm a correspondent on India's political satire show, and I wanted to check if you've been watching it.
Oh, I love that show.
Really?
Yeah, Hassan Minaj.
No, I'm talking about Cyrus Brocha and the week that wasn't.
Nah, never heard of it.
But you're Indian, right?
Yeah, I'm Punjabi. Are you? Are you Punjabi?
No.
You're Punjabi too.
I'm not Punjabi.
Hey.
I'm not Punjabi.
I'm Punjabi. You're
Let me
Punjabi.
show you a clip from the show.
Damn, you look good on camera. You look good. We should go on a date. You can make me dinner, because I don't cook.
I'm sort of in the middle of work right now.
Women shouldn't work outside the house.
understand. I made a lot of Punjabi jokes in my life, and I'll take this on the chin. That's fine. I like Punjabi people. I find them very similar to me. Boisterous, loud, and dramatic, and fair enough. But you've got somebody else, so I won't interrupt you. You go ahead.
Hi, how are you?
Where are you from?
South Bombay.
Finally, you must know Cyrus Brocha.
Oh, Cyrus. Yeah, he was never really that funny.
He's got a TV show. Let me show you.
Wow, so you're from South Bombay too?
Yes.
We should go on a date sometime. Maybe grab dinner, watch Kuch Kuch Hota Hai.
That's my favorite movie.
Oh, really?
Seriously? This guy?
No Celine Dion then?
I know a bar around the corner with tons of hot chicks.
Oh, yeah.
Let's roll, bro.
Oh, wait for me.
I recognize you from that TV show.
You're Lily Singh.
Okay, let us go straight to our friend Mohit, who, folks, has been quarantined for the last 89 days. Now, what's happening, Mohit, in life after and during and with COVID?
I am quarantined at home, so I am writing my will.
He's writing his will, Bichara writing his will. Why? Why will?
In case I die.
Die? Why die? Why? Don't be negative, don't be cynical. Are you afraid of catching the virus? Come on.
Not at all.
Then don't say this on TV. I want to inspire people here. Why are you writing your will?
Because if I die after 8 weeks of being quarantined with my wife, I want the people to know that it was not the virus that killed me, it was my wife. Have you heard?
Obviously, your mind is affected. It's 11 weeks. We are counting. 8 weeks. Wife leaves him, so you can't count after that. गिनने को नहीं आता है. What is this nonsense?
Name okay?
I'm an actor, yeah. I'm not some idiot just answering questions.
So I'll do this like that. I'll do this. Huh? That?
Portable post-production में डाल सकते हैं.
If only we had known they were going to fight with six and so
Second segment.